How to change username on Facebook. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook username. So if you're trying to change the username that is associated with your Facebook account, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with changing our username on Facebook, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the menu button in the bottom right of the Facebook app. This will open up the menu for Facebook, and once in here, select the gear in the top right next to the search icon to open up the settings. Now that the settings are open for Facebook, in the top section labeled Account Centers, simply select See More in Account Centers. Now that we're in the Meta Account Center, select the first option labeled Profiles. Then we just want to select our Facebook profile. So for me, I only have one, but you might have multiple. Select the one you want to change your username on. So select that. And then in here, all you need to do is select username. Then just type in your new desired username for your Facebook account. Once you've done that, if the username is available, you'll have a green check next to it, letting you know that you can choose that. To save your new username on Facebook, select Done. It'll bring you back to the Account Center here, where then you have changed your username on Facebook. All right, so that's how you change your username on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.